How to do a design without destroying your fade. Part 2. Here we go. Right, first of all, I tend to do the design first at the lower part of the back of the head. When you've done the design, then you can do the fade, the clean skin fade, high fade or medium fade. It's best to do the design first, get the hardest part out of the way. As you can see, I'm making lines. I'm just doing some shapes, triangle, rectangle type of shape. I am freestyling. I am trying to work it out as I go along. If you can copy with these particular things, if you see a design online, you can copy it, or a picture. This is how you practice. It is good to learn to be able to do shapes and lines if you are a professional up-and-coming barber. Don't forget to brush the hair off so you can see your work clearly. In the summer, sometimes hair sticks, so you need to brush off the hair so you can see to get your best work. Here we go. Now I have completed the design that I wanted to do. So now I'm just doing a skin fade. I'm cleaning around the design to get the haircut done. Design completed with a medium fade. This is how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video.